Guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday. The market rallied up a lot today. It was a very good upward move since market open, and this is one of the biggest one-day up move we have seen in recent days, and the market is really bullish because of the chip makers. AMD announced very good results in terms of their earnings news, and market reacted to that, and also some other factors as well, right? But very importantly, my portfolio or my swing trades based on the profit signal also started to rebound and bounce back. Except for Microsoft, it hit a stop loss. Overall, my portfolio still okay, right? In fact, I cover a little bit by almost 1%. Let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so at my screen right now, you can see that yesterday after market close, right, it started to rebound, right? In fact, after market close yesterday, right, it actually went down a lot, then started to rebound, right, in the early morning of Singapore, right? And it started rebounding, afternoon also rebound. After then market open, it started to continue to go higher, right? Okay, so we can see over here that the S&P is up about 1.5% and Nasdaq is up about 2.6%, right? Okay, so the market is really bullish today, and hopefully that tomorrow it will follow through, and with that follow through, right, there is a high probability that the correction that we experienced 1 or 2 weeks ago may just be over, right? Okay, keeping our fingers crossed to see whether it really will work out that way. But basically, following the profit signal, I don't really care about whether the market is bullish or not, right? I just follow my profit signal because in the long run, it does, through our back test, in the long run, it does give us a profit, right? So over here you can see yesterday I traded on Apple at a much better price than my entry price, right? Right now is up already, right? Approaching my take profit. Hopefully it does do that, right? Amazon also yesterday went in slightly better than my entry price. Right now is up also. Google it opened higher but came back down, right? Okay, so Meta is up a little bit, right? Okay, I also traded at a slightly better price. Now it's up a little bit. I'm still Microsoft hit stop loss today, right? In fact, it opened higher and came back down, so hit stop loss. When we see the profit signal is having the stop loss line is not a straight line, right? Okay, if the stop loss line is not a straight line, that means this trigger is no longer valid, right? Okay, so we will not trade it and wait for the next green triangle before we trade, right? Okay, so still waiting for that. Starbucks is another one that hit my stop loss. So basically today I hit 2 stop losses, right? Okay, but because of the Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google all turn around, right, from losses to profits. Overall, based on my running profit and loss, my equity over here is about 4,009, right? Yesterday it was around 4,850, right? Down about 3%. Now I'm down about just 2%, right? Okay, and hopefully if all these hit my take profit, in fact I could be up 1% as well, right? That's the estimation that I'm looking at. But of course I'm looking to put in trades for Tesla, even Oracle, which stop loss yesterday, right? But of course they haven't triggered yet, all these haven't triggered yet, so I'm not doing anything about it. Good thing is that there might be a trigger soon for General Motors, same for BAC and Bank of America and Nvidia, right? Okay, and yeah, so basically okay, doing pretty okay. Sometimes there's a drawdown of a few percent, is very normal, right? Okay, and the other ones that I'm monitoring don't have much chance to trigger, right? Like I mentioned last week, I missed this trigger. Is very good, it's reaching my take profit area, but I didn't trade it, right? Because by the time I saw it, it already moved down here, right? But of course, it's the trader decision. At that point of time, I could have traded it and still gain some profit over here, right? Okay, so I'll be looking very closely in the future that even if it has moved by the time I see it, right, I might just put in the trade just to follow through with the trigger on the profit signal to see how it works out, right? And yeah, hopefully today's rebound is good news for all of you, and your portfolio is rebounding and making profits for you. That's all from me, and I'll update you tomorrow if I do have any triggers, new trades that I want to put in, and I'll be very excited to share them with you, right? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next update.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.